Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create ghost effect in CapCut for your Halloween video editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up CapCut application and you're going to create a new project, and then you're going to import the video that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to use a video from the CapCut library. I'm going to use this video. Okay, we can import the video, and then guys, we're going to duplicate this video. But wait, I'm going to cut my video. Okay, we can duplicate it. You can tap on your video and then select duplicate and then make it as an overlay. Okay, like this. And then we're going to apply keyframe. Add the keyframe to the beginning of your video and also to the end part of your video, like this. And you're going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, and then you're going to add grab. So just select this grab option and then you can choose quad out or cubic out. Okay, I'll go with this cubic out and click on the check mark. And then guys, you're going to go to the second keyframe and go to the opacity. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the opacity, and you're going to reduce the opacity to 0. Okay, and you will create something like this. Okay, this ghost effect. And to make it more spooky, you can apply Halloween effect. You can make it creepier. Just go to the video effect and then you can select the Halloween effect, and then you can try the black noise or the film frame. Okay, you just need to choose the effect that you like or the effect which is suitable for your video. Let's try this fancy sharpen. Okay, this one looks good as well, or this one. Okay, and for me guys, I'll go with wait, let's try this low quality. No, I'll go with this film frame, the free effect. Okay, and then you can click on the check mark and then you can make the effect align with your video like this, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create ghost effect in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.